My name is Ashley R. Villadiego, M001. My content topic, the rise of cybercrime in the Philippines. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is a crime committed using or through the use of information and communication technologies such as radio, television, cellular phones, computers, and networks, and other communication devices or application. Example, hacking, phishing, online scam, cyberbullying, identity theft. Ito yung mga nagbibigay linaw na kahulugan ng cybercrime at nag-highlight ng iba't ibang uri nito para mas maunawaan ng mga tao ang lawak ng problema. Cybercrime worldwide. In 2011, 431 million adults worldwide were victims of cybercrimes. Top cybercrimes in 2011, computer viruses or malware, 54%, online scam, 11%, and phishing, 10%. Ito yung nagpapakita na ang cybercrime ay isang pandaigdigang problema na may malaking epekto sa ating ekonomiya. The trend in the Philippines. Cybercrime has increased in the Philippines. There were 21,300 cases in 2023, up from 13,890 in 2022. The PNP-ACG report 4,469 cases in the first quarter of 2024, a 21.84% increase from the previous quarter. A survey in September 2024 showed that 7.2% of Filipino families report being victims of cybercrime, up from 3.7% in June 2024. Ito yung mga dahilan nagpapakita ng mga datos na nagpapatunay na tumataas ang cybercrime sa ating bansa. Reason for the increase. More Filipinos are using the internet. Cybercriminals are using more sophisticated tactics. Lack of public awareness about cyber threats. Ito yung mga nagpapakita kung bakit tumataas ang cybercrime sa Pilipinas. Six common types of cybercrime in the Philippines. Online selling scam. Example, not sending the product after receiving payment. Investment scam. Example, promising high returns through investment but it's turned out to be a scam. Debit or credit card fraud. Example, unauthorized use of credit card information. Phishing example, obtaining sensitive information such as username, password, and credit card details by posing as a trustworthy entity. Cyber libel. Example, posting defamatory information online. Ito yung hakbang na ginagawa ng ito yung magpapakita kung bakit tumataas yung cybercrime sa Pilipinas. Ito yung mga nagbibigay ng impormasyon. Government action. The PNP is working hard to combat cybercrime by increasing their expertise, establishing cybercrime lists, and investing in IT infrastructure. There are also plans to create a cybersecurity center within the PNP. Implementation of the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, RA 10,175. SIM Card Registration Act, RA 11,934 to reduce scam. Ito yung hakbang na ginagawa ng gobyerno para malabanan ng cybercrime. Advice for netizen. Be careful online. Stay informed about cybercrime trends. Watch out for red flags to avoid scam and fraud. Do not accept random friend requests. Do not click on suspicious links. Do not share contact and block deals. Ito yung mga maging responsable ka dapat. How to report cybercrime. PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group ACG, NBI Cybercrime Division. Ito yung yung dapat maging responsible sa paggamit ng internet at ibahagi ang iyong kaalaman sa iba.